Okay, let's talk about this Dagger Zydeco 9.0. It's got a nice, pretty good size open cockpit with the knee pads to help protect the outside of your knees. Very comfortable seat system that is adjustable and easily adjustable footrest on the inside. So I love the seating system, very comfortable with the knee pads. You've got bungee on the front deck and the back deck, and then you've also got these really comfortable T-grips for carrying it, which is really nice. And you could put a spray skirt on this cockpit if you were going to do some whitewater. So it's a 9-foot long boat. It's only about 36.5 pounds, so it's pretty easy for me to pick up and carry. It's really lightweight. That's one of the things I love about it. Let's just flip it over and look at that hull. As you can see, it does have some grooves to help improve the tracking, plus a pretty noticeable keel in the back, and that also helps with the tracking. So for just a 9-foot long boat, it tracks really well on flat water, makes it a little more difficult and slower to turn in the river or in the whitewater situation. But for what I'm using it for, it's perfect, and I really have enjoyed this boat, and I use it all the time on our river. So that is the Zydeco 9.0. Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all one of my favorite boats that I have, which is this Dagger Zydeco 9.0, 9-foot long wreck boat technically, but I use it on the river a lot, which I'll show you. And it's very lightweight and it's very stable. So I'm going to just show you how stability looks, and then also how it tracks. So let's just look at the stability. It's pretty wide and comfortable, and as you can see, you know, I can go pretty far. I'd say that the initial stability is very good because it's nice and wide, and it's also got pretty good secondary stability. It's pretty hard to make this go. You know, I haven't been taking it through class 3 and class 4 whitewater, but so far it's done pretty good on the river. And right now I just want to show you how it does tracking on flat water. It does have some grooves on the hull, and it's got a little bit of a keel, especially on the back, that helps with the tracking. So let's just see how it does on flat water. So you can see it does yaw a little bit on the front, on the actual bow, but it tracks pretty straight and true. So I think it actually does pretty good on flat water for just a 9-foot long boat. It's got decent speed too. So it's just a great all-around kayak for, I think, ponds, small lakes, and lazy rivers up to class 1, class 2, maybe class 3. I have not done that, but you could put a spray skirt on it. So that's really all I've done with it so far, but I love this boat.